Here's a new video of the day of the mud. Okay, and here's some dry parts of it, but look at it. It's like, yeah, I ain't trusting it. Oh, God, man. Uh-oh, it's like walking on that one piece of ice. You don't know if it's gonna fall in or not. Making it really mushy right here, especially in that part. You tell some coyotes been here. Ooh, I got the shit in. Okay.